What is the easiest way to see exactly which search terms actually generated my sales in sponsored product campaigns? If you're already running sponsored product ad campaigns, and if you're generating impressions, clicks, orders, sales, it means that you already generated data called search term reports. So that is the first go-to that you would download from the measurements tab. You're logging into your ad console, going to your measurements tab, and then you're going to download these so-called search term reports. Now, dependent on how long already you're running those campaigns, ideally we would run campaigns at least 7 days if we have meaningful data. By meaningful data, what I mean, at least you have 2 to 3 sales, you have already a few clicks there, so you know clearly, okay, which are the main search terms that generated data for you. So based on that, you would gather the data and understand better which are the keywords that are working for you and then which are the search terms that are being generated by those keywords. So that is the way how it would be easiest for you to see which are the search terms actually generated your sales in sponsored products.